A veteran Arizona lawmaker calling for an investigation into a behavioral health facility tonight. The move follows a series of ABC15 investigations are reporting uncovered allegations of sexual assault and a history of violations at an Arizona facility for troubled teens. ABC15 investigator Jennifer Kovaleski continues her exclusive reporting.
We have to have a top-to-bottom review.
An Arizona lawmaker is demanding answers.
We will be calling for some sort of investigation
about this remote facility paid to help at-risk teenagers.
Our kids are our top priority.
Senator T.J. Shope says an investigation is crucial after what ABC15 uncovered at Mingus Mountain Academy, an all-girl behavioral health facility in Prescott Valley.
For months, the ABC15 investigators have been looking into major concerns inside an Arizona facility for troubled teens.
Your reaction to our reporting?
It was disgusting. I mean, I can't believe some of the things that I read.
Shope is the vice chair of the Health and Human Services Committee, a group of lawmakers with oversight of the health department, the state agency responsible for licensing Mingus.
We send these kids to these facilities and to be taken care of, and the idea is it's not supposed to be worse than the situation that you're sending them from.
New accusations against a behavioral health facility.
Our reporting highlighted the allegations detailed in this 55-page lawsuit.
It has been a lot of pain that I've had to live for a really long time.
According to the lawsuit, Melissa Catalano is now one of 13 women who claim they were sexually assaulted or abused by staff at Mingus.
They would brag about what they would do to me.
The accusations involving the 13 women span more than a decade, from 2011 to 2022.
What is your message to these alleged victims?
The message to the victims is very clear that this is intolerable.
The ABC15 investigators also found Mingus has a history of fines and violations. The health department has cited the facility dozens of times. One of those citations involved one of its most significant responsibilities. When 2 patients were restrained in separate incidents, state regulators found the facility didn't follow policies and procedures, resulting in injuries to 1 patient and an employee being placed on administrative leave. Mingus Mountain says an internal investigation was also conducted and corrective actions were taken. State health regulators have not found any deficiencies during inspections at Mingus this year.
People don't know what's happening in these facilities.
Eleanor Hilborn is not a part of the lawsuit, but says she was sent to Mingus in 2020. She was 17 years old.
I just did what I had to do to get out of there because...
Mingus Mountain and what the facility has called its management company, Vivant Behavioral Healthcare, were also named in this 2024 sweeping 2-year U.S. Senate investigation. The Senate probe looked at youth residential treatment facilities operated by 4 providers, including Vivant. Lawmakers labeling the report warehouses of neglect, how taxpayers are funding systemic abuse in youth residential treatment facilities. Mingus has called the U.S. Senate investigation a partisan attack on healthcare providers.
What would you want to say to the owners of Mingus Mountain?
They're doing something wrong. They need to figure it out or shut it down.
So it's a lot bigger than just this facility and these girls. They could be the catalyst for good that occurs within the entire system.
And that's why this Arizona lawmaker has this message for Mingus.
So to them, I say that we are going to be training our eye very sharply on this entity.
In an updated statement, Mingus again says the allegations in the lawsuit are unproven and said, "We have turned over every stone in searching for evidence of abuse, and we have found nothing to support these allegations." As for the senator's call for an investigation, teenage girls in the Department of Child Safety's custody are sent to this facility. Senator Shope says he has asked the new DCS director to investigate Mingus and report back to him. He says he has not ruled out asking for a formal legislative investigation. I'm investigator Jennifer Kovaleski, ABC15, Arizona.
Mingus also said, "We do not and will not tolerate insufficient or improper care, maltreatment, misconduct, or abuse ever." We've put Mingus' full updated statement online.